Good morning, sir. Welcome to Paradise Hotel. How may I assist you?
Yes, I need a room.
Have you made the reservation before?
Oh, not yet.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Ray.
Could you spell that for me, please?
Romeo, Alpha, Yankee.
What kind of room do you like, sir?
Oh, what kind of room do you have?
All right, Mr. Ray, we have 3 types of room: suite, deluxe, and standard. The rate for suite room is 2 million rupiah for one night, for deluxe room is 1.5 million rupiah for one night, and for standard room is 1 million rupiah for one night. What type of room would you like, sir?
I take one deluxe room.
When will you start staying, and for how long, sir?
I will check in today and for 3 nights.
Please wait a moment, sir. I will check our chart before. All right, Mr. Ray. You are lucky, the room is available for you. Do you have any special request?
Oh, I don't have special request.
May I borrow your ID card, sir?
Certainly.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Ray, your room is one deluxe room. The room rate is 1.5 million rupiah per night, and you will stay for 3 nights. Is that true, sir?
Yes, that's right.
All right, Mr. Ray. Could you please complete the registration form, and may I have your signature here?
Yes.
How about the settle of your payment, sir? Will you pay by cash or credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Sure, we accept Visa, MasterCard, BCA, Mandiri, and BNI.
I will pay by Visa card.
May I borrow your Visa card, please?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Ray. This is your welcoming drink card. You can enjoy at our lobby bar. This is your meal coupon. You can enjoy at our coffee shop. And this is your guest card and your room key. Our bellboy will escort you to your room. Anything else, sir?
Oh, no.
All right, Mr. Ray. For more information about hotel facilities and activities, please don't hesitate to contact the reception with extension number 2. I hope you will have a very pleasant stay with us here and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.